So just taking a quick look at XRP then on our hourly time frame, another little daily update for you guys. As we can see, still very much in our range, as you can see here for XRP, going sideways anywhere from around that 48-49 cent support up to around 55-56 cent resistance up here. You can see just chopping sideways in this area. Absolute textbook resistance support range that we've been putting in recently at this support overall macro support level here, as you can see. Really looking for some upside with Bitcoin looking to be heading up to a new all-time high. Ethereum absolutely mooning off its ETF news. And really XRP, in my opinion, looking like it's probably going to see some relief up towards this Fibonacci 050 soon at 61.5 cents. It seems quite likely that that will be the case since we've been bouncing at this support for God knows how long. You can see we've been chopping sideways here for a long time. And right now, as you can see, really probably going to be heading back up towards that resistance up here at 60-70 cents. Right now, XRP looking fine, chopping sideways and waiting for Bitcoin to lead the entire market to the upside. But overall, looking like it's primed for a nice bullish move.